To replace a bad light, we're going to need to open the case up, make sure there's no jewelry in here, make sure you talk to the manager at the store. These lights are going to just lift right off these cases. One end will have a wire, one end will not. The one that has the wire, we're just going to kind of ease this off and unplug that wire. Just literally unplugs from the light itself, just as you see it. Take the bad light, put it to the side. You're going to have a new light come. You're going to do the same thing on a new light. You're going to remove the existing wire on that light, just like that. Take it, put it back into this, plug it in from here. Make sure it's fully engaged. Center your lights back in. Take this off so it's easier to kind of mount it onto your light. Got your other end on. Slides on and off. Center this back on. To adjust your light, you just have to turn this. So make sure you turn it, make sure everything's tight and it's shining in where the manager wants it to shine on the jewelry. Test it, plug it in, make sure everything is working. Even if you have to rotate it back to where you could see it, that all lights are working properly, and then readjust it again. And that's it.